Today we are diving into the world of AI tools, not just any AI tools, but I'm talking about the top 5 game-changing AI tools every student needs to use in 2025 to take the learning to the next level. Whether you are trying to get your assignments done faster, stay organized, or just find ways to study smarter, these tools will help you to do all that and more. So let's get right into it. Alright, first up Grammarly. If you're not using Grammarly, where you have been? It's like the personal writing assistant you never knew you needed. Grammarly doesn't just correct your grammar, it's a full writing coach. It scans your text for everything from punctuation to clarity. Let's say you are working on an essay or a project report. Grammarly checks your work for spelling errors, suggests synonyms to make your writing more dynamic, and even helps with a sentence structure. But wait, there's more. Tone detection is one of its hidden gems. When you are writing a formal research paper or crafting a more casual email, Grammarly helps you to ensure your tone matches the occasion. And if you are worried about plagiarism, no need to panic. Grammarly checks your work against billions of web pages to make sure it's 100% original. So if you want your writing to be polished, professional, and error-free, Grammarly is a tool for you. Next, we have got Notion AI. Seriously, Notion has become the tool for students. It's powerful all-in-one workspace for managing everything from your class notes to your to-do list and more. And the best part, Notion AI makes everything so much easier. Let's say you are preparing for an exam and you need to organize a ton of notes. Notion AI can summarize lengthy articles, extra key points, and help you draft essays or outlines. If you are feeling stuck on a topic, just ask Notion for suggestions. And guess what? You can also use it create detailed study plans, track deadlines, and keep all your projects in one place. It's a one-stop shop for productivity. Now, this one is little different, but trust me, it's a game changer. Khan Me Go by Khan Academy. Imagine having a tutor 24 by 7. Well, with Khan Me Go, you get just that. Whether you are struggling with the calculus or diving deep into history, Khan Me Go offers personalized interactive lessons. It's like having a teacher right there for you, guiding you step by step. But what makes Khan Me Go stand out is how it adapts to your learning style. You are not just passively reading from a textbook. It provides instant feedback, helps you work through problems, and even answers your questions as you go. It's perfect for self-learners who need that extra support but don't want to be tied down to a classroom. Next on our list is Otter AI. Now picture this. You are sitting in a lecture and professor is talking at lightning speed. You can't write everything down, right? That's where Otter AI comes in. This incredible tool transcribes spoken words into written text in real time. All you have to do is upload your lecture or meeting audio and Otter AI does the rest. And last, definitely not least, Canva Magic Studio. If you need to create presentations, posters, or social media content, Canva has you covered. With the Magic Studio feature, Canva takes your creativity to the next level. You can simply type in what you want to create, and Canva's AI will generate multiple design options for you to choose from. It does not stop there. Canva Magic Studio allows you to edit images and customize designs with ease. Best part, it's all simple to use, even if you have never designed anything before. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that every student in 2025 should have in their digital toolbox.